my name is Paul Jordan. I'd like to welcome you to another short video in the series of useful Google Chrome extensions. Today, I'm going to be telling you about Bitly. So what is Bitly? Bitly is a URL shortener. Now, URL, as you probably know, is Uniform Resource Locator. Basically, that's the name of the website or the web address that goes into your browser at the top here. Now, I've just done a Google search on images for best cars, and the resulting URL is very long. If you wanted to tweet that, you wouldn't be able to because it's far too long to fit in a tweet. And it's very cumbersome, very difficult to share. So what's the answer? The answer is this really useful little plugin called Bitly. There it is with the orange B and the orange circle around it in the toolbar at the top. Basically with Bitly, you set up an account. So you log into the website, put your name and email address, all that kind of stuff, typical website setup. Then you can install the extension here in your toolbar at the top. And what does it do? So if we go here, if I click Bitly, then go to Notepad and do a paste, what Bitly has done is automatically provided a much shorter URL and automatically pasted it to my Windows clipboard. Then, if you wish to, let's cancel that and minimize. If you want to do a tweet from there, you can do that quite easily from here. You can customize the back half, which is the last part of the URL. So let me just put -ZZZ just so you can see how that works. You can put a hashtag in there, hashtag of my own, and I can't spell as you can see. Share that. So as you can see, that's the text for the tweet. I'm going to tweet it there. I'm going to pop over to my Twitter account, quickly do a refresh. And there you can see best cars, Google search, and there's the shortened URL just there. Now, I don't really want that on my Twitter feed, so I'm going to delete it because it's just for the purposes of showing you guys how this works. Refresh this page here. So there's the latest shortened URL that I've produced at the top here, which is this one here. As you can see, the ugly long URL provided by Google versus the really shortened one provided by Bitly. Now you can get some useful statistics here on what's been going on. So for example, you can see how many people have clicked the link and various other statistics, which are shown here below. So that's quite handy. Now there is a paid version of Bitly which you can use, and that will allow you to put your own custom domain name. Instead of having bits.ly, you can have your own domain name at the front of the shortened URL. For me, that's no benefit, so I don't subscribe to that. The free version gives me all the features that I need. A very useful tool. So basically, there you go. Bitly, a URL shortener, very good for doing direct tweets, creating easy to share URLs, free to use. Another good extension, worth adding to your toolset. I hope this video has been useful. If you like it, please like it below, share it, and subscribe to my channel for other useful videos. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.